Welcome to this channel. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchor person. In this video, I'll be showing you the products of the magnet ecosystem. In case you are new to magnets or you do not fully understand what magnet is all about, in this video, you will have a clear description of the various products that are available for you to make money with on the project platform. All right, before we go ahead to look at the various products. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscription button and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we shoot new videos, you will be highly notified so that you can watch the videos. All right, thank you for taking that action. So let's go ahead and look at the various things on this platform. All right, first of all, we're going to look at what magnet is, and that will give you an idea of the products you should be expecting on this particular platform. What is Magnet? Magnet is a blockchain platform with effective tools for building a highly profitable business, working fully decentralized on smart contracts. And what this simply means is that Magnet runs on blockchain. It is built on blockchain and it has tools that are proven to work very well, that are proven to provide positive results. So, in other words, they are effective. They can help you to build businesses, not just businesses, but businesses that can make money for you, businesses that can bring in profits. And this whole system is working fully decentralized, meaning that it is not under the control of any government, any financial institution, or third parties. So at any given time, you are the one in total control of your wallet. So whatever you're going to be making from Magnet goes directly to your wallet. You decide when to dispense your money, when to spend it, when to use it, whatever you want to do with it. And it is on a smart contract. It means that the terms of this whole contract is pre-agreed, and once term A is executed, term B is also fulfilled automatically. For example, if you introduce somebody to Magnet as a downline and you are due to be paid some uh, commissions for referring that person, you do not need to start asking Magnet to give you a commission after referring. The moment the person activates his account, you get your commission directly in your wallet. So when you are due to receive your money, you do not start to remind Magnet that the time for commissions are due, or you will be told that you wait for every Friday or every month end. But as an action is performed, your money goes straight to your wallet. All right, having known that, we also see that Magnet has concepts. And what's the concept of Magnet? Magnet is a large-scale, high-income and client orientation. For 2 years now, the Magnet team has been building a unique concept and developing cutting-edge technologies in the blockchain space to create a strong foundation for the company's years of work and growth. The goal of Magnet is to create an ecosystem where everyone can unlock their potential and earn big money consistently, regardless of their status, whether they are a leader or a beginner. Magnet's blockchain platform is the largest and most advanced ecosystem on the market. So, whether you are a professional or novice, there will be something for you to be able to make money with as far as Magnet is concerned. All right, let's quickly look at this chart and see the summary of what is available on the Magnet platform, even though these are not the only thing that have been expected, because Magnet is going to be following their roadmap. So from time to time, new products will be introduced. These are not the only things you are expecting, but to start with, these are the ones that will be introduced in the nearest possible time. So as long as the ecosystem is concerned, From time to time, new products will be coming in. So in summary, these are the things you should see. You can pause your video and take a look at the screen and see everything you're going to be expecting on the magnet ecosystem, from NFT passive income to the marketing programs to board services and the rest, the DEX, VIP accounts, and so on and so forth. So having seen that, we're going to go further to take a look at other things as far as the ecosystem is concerned. So majorly, there are two areas where you'll be making money from. Like we said, if you look at the above diagram that we just look at, you'll see that so many of these products are available, meaning that with magnet ecosystem, you'll be able to diversify your source of income. And it is stated that if you want to truly become financially independent, you need at least about 7 different streams of income. Now, let's take example at a few of the world's billionaires. For example, Jack Ma, the owner of Alibaba Express or Alibaba organization, whatever you call it. Jack Ma's Alibaba has so many things, a variety of products from which is earning money, from household products to electronics to computer parts and the rest. You can see them on the platform. You can get whatever you want to get. You can get cameras, you can get wristwatches, you can get shoes and all that on the Alibaba platform. If you also go to Amazon, you'll see that Jeff Bezos is making a lot of money from Amazon because he also has variety of products from which his income is diversified. You can see that he is marketing household products. You can see electronics there. You can see computers and computer parts. You can see cosmetics. You can see so many things, up to books and other services are all available on the Amazon platform. And during the COVID-19 era, Amazon, Jeff Bezos became the world richest billionaire because the demand for products on the Amazon platform skyrocketed, and so that took him to the number one position, even though it was a temporary one. You also look at Elon Musk, you see that Elon Musk also has diversified source of income. He is the owner of the world's popular PayPal platform. He is also the owner of Tesla. He is also the one who runs the Starlink and the rest, whatever. And so there are a lot of things that are also linked to Elon Musk, giving him the opportunity to get income from different sources. So why am I making reference to these people? If these people can become billionaires by having diversified sources of income, you can become close to that, even if you do not become a billionaire, but you can become financially comfortable by using the magnet platform. Okay, you have a lot of products. You have the lend to earn, you have the play to earn, you have the copy trade, you have the board services, you have the arbitrage, you have betting of crypto rates, you have so many things. Launchpad is coming, Wheel of Fortune, and the rest. So, in other words, you do not rely on just a source of income as far as magnet is concerned. So, if you want to also become financially independent, you might not need to look elsewhere. You might just need to depend on magnet alone and focus on the products that are available to you on the magnet platform. So I said before I began to talk about diversification that there are two major ways or two major programs that are available to you to make money from. The first one is the marketing program, which is the smart contract. Then you have the second part, which is the coin itself, the mining of coin, the magnet token. Now let's look at the marketing program. At the foundation of the magnet ecosystem are effective products for earning money. They are connected by three highly profitable marketing programs based on smart contracts. This synergy allows you to not only earn big money from building a team, but also receive passive and investment income. All three programs work autonomously. They are designed to involve not only leaders, but also beginners in this business. Moreover, affiliate programs are the foundation for the entire magnet product ecosystem. Income from the use of products is distributed among the participants according to the terms of the smart contract. So everyone who participates in this program is going to earn money based on the smart contract terms. So your NFT labels will decide how much you're going to be earning. Your downlines also will give you some level of financial growth. If you have a lot of them, you're going to make a lot of money. So nobody is cheated. Whatever work you're putting into the ecosystem, you're going to be rewarded handsomely according to your work. Now, in program one, which is a ternary program, it is supposed to be a ternary program with high leader income. With only two partners, your income will be higher than the entry amount, as well as you will receive a high income from every action in your team. And thanks to the powerful partnership program. This program is the perfect tool for leaders and beginners who are building teams and developing a structure. The money in this program goes upwards thanks to the reactivation system. So if you join any of these program level 1 to 12, in level 1 to 12, in level 1 you have program 1 and program 2, and if you enter with, for instance, $5, it will be shared into two. Program 1 will have $2.5, program 2 will have $2.5. But every of these program is designed to give you rewards in a special way. In program 1, for example, you bring in somebody and that person comes in with a specific amount, you will be given 40% as your leadership bonus. After giving you the 40% as leadership bonus, the system also provides you 5% of partnership bonus for people in the first to third generation of your downline. For instance, you brought in Mr. A brought B brought C, and C brought D. So your A is your direct partner, while B, C, and D are your first, second, and third generations. So while you earn 40% from your direct partner, which is Mr. A, you'll be earning 5% each from Mr. B, Mr. C, and Mr. D. So that automatically takes that money to about 55%. Then you also get 10% opportunity to make money based on your NFT status. So all you'll be getting is about 65%. While the remaining 5% of the money will be kept aside for the burning and the burning of the coin, as well as the development of the coin itself. So you know that sometimes you need to do some burning of coins if you want the coin to be deflationary in value or whatever. You can do that. You can make sure the coin is protected and you can add value to the coin. So you can do that. That system is in place to make sure that money is available to give liquidity to the coin, to also make sure that the coin does not become inflationary. So in other words, the coin you are going to be mining here, or that those who are currently mining, they are mining a coin that is going to be highly valuable. Why? Because there are a lot of products backing it up as utility, and there's also a lot of money that is going to back it up as liquidity. And then Magnet already has a growing community. All right. So in program 2, we already talked about program 1. In program 2, the remaining part also, you will earn 20% as your leadership bonus, and then 5% each for 1 to 3rd generation as partnership bonus, the same way you got in program 1. Then in addition to that, you'll be having referral bonus of 2% each to 10th generation. And then every other thing that you have in program one will also be there. But this is being reshaped right now to increase some of the money you're going to be earning. Magnet is planning to reduce the referral bonus from 12 generation, I mean from 10 generation to about 6 generation, but increase the percentage from 2% to about 10%. So that will make it higher for you to earn higher. So a lot of things are still coming in into Magnet. There's going to be boost coin, post coin, and all that to help you earn more money. All right. So we have taken a look at how you're going to be earning money from those program one and program two. So program two is a multi-level binary with high leadership income, 10 level referral system and partner, which is just what I've already explained. Then they also look at program three, which is the bonus program two, indivisible trinary with elements of passive income, even without inviting any partner. So what this is talking about is that to some extent you bring in someone, you are a novice, you don't know how to generate people to bring in partners. The system is programmed to also give you 1% from about 40 people that are already in before you. They give you 1% of their income. All right, but for me, if you want to really make money, you try as much as possible to get some persons under you. Okay, you also have the VIP account that will give you a particular status that you can earn a VIP status for a specific time, and all the traffic that will be generated by Magnet at that period will be channeled to your account. So if you have no partners at that particular time because you acquired the VIP status, all the traffic will be generated towards your account. In other words, people can just subscribe to join under you because at that point where they click on the traffic coming to Magnet to be going to your own account. So you can do that to get more money to your own account. Now, let's look at this other product specifically, how and what you will be making money from. So look at the learn to earn. It is a system that just allow you to come to the Magnet platform to come and learn some things about Web3, to come and increase your own knowledge. But while you do that, after learning, you are given some quiz to take. When you take the quiz and pass the quiz, you make some money with that. Then you also have the Magnet Academy. Magnet Academy is a learning platform and knowledge base for blockchain, business, and self-development. Magnet Academy not only gives you access to unique information and author courses, but also allows members with high NFT Magnet status to create their own courses and promote them to the entire Magnet audience and earn. So in other words, what this is going to do is that the Magnet Academies allows you to come and learn about Web3, about fintech, about so many things, about blockchain and the rest. But if you also have a better NFT status, you can create your own academy products. You can create your courses because you have knowledge in that area and monetize it. You can put a tag on how much you want to sell those courses. People who come around and they see it as things they can learn from, they can pay to have access to it, and you make money as the creator of those courses. Then you also have CryptoDo. CryptoDo is an app that has been tested online, that passed through a lot of crypto hackathons and have been proven to work very well. It was created by Gordon Bogdan, and it is going to be integrated into the center of Magnet. So with CryptoDo, you'll be able to create your own D app even when you have no knowledge of coding or programming. So in other words, CryptoDo is an AI-powered multi-chain no-code builder of Web3 application. It enables you to launch your own smart contract D app in just 5 minutes without any programming experience. How wonderful that is going to be. All right, you also have the Magnet lotteries. Blockchain lotteries at Magnet represent an innovative approach to lotteries where smart contract technology is used to ensure absolute transparency and fairness of the gaming process and opens up new opportunities for classic and passive income. So here you'll be having different forms of lotteries. You're going to have classic lottery, which is the traditional format with multiple winners winning the entire prize pool. Then you also have the win-win lottery. Every participant is guaranteed to win a prize, and some win the jackpot, that is the super prize. You have the bingo lottery as well, a free NFT-based lottery that allows you to earn passively depending on your activity in the magnet ecosystem. Apart from that lottery, you also have the magnet lottery builder that allows you as a user to build your own lottery or whatever and then monetize it. You can sell your tickets and people will use it and you earn commissions. So magnet is really going to be hot. It's going to give you access to so many things that you do not envisage that could be possible on just a single platform. Then you also have staking and farming. You can stake your magnet coin to get more over a period of time. You can stake it for like 6 months, 1 year, whatever, and then at the end you earn more of the coin. Then you can also put up your magnet coin that will stand more like a collateral for you to be able to get other coin by farming. You can just put up a magnet coin and use it to get other coins that you think might become of profit to you in the long run. All right. So we also see that these are not the only things that are available. You have what we call cryptocurrency arbitrage. If you are somebody who have an experience in crypto trading, or you do not have much experience, you do not know how to research coins, you can use the cryptocurrency arbitrage bot to do that. What this bot simply does is to scan the entire internet and look for where prices of cryptocurrencies are cheaper for you to buy from, and then also show you where the price are higher at a particular time. That is in real time. So assuming you want to buy maybe Bitcoin and they say Bitcoin is $108,000, then I also show you that or maybe on Bybit, it also show you that in Binance, you can see it at 108,000, maybe $20 on top. So as somebody who has the money, you can just buy from Bybit and then take it to Binance and sell using the same bot. But if you can do that for several times a day, let's assume you get that $20 per trade. If you do up to 10 of that, you'll be talking about $200 in one day. So you look forward to getting the cryptocurrency arbitrage boat on the magnet ecosystem. Then apart from that, there are other boats and services for traffic generation. Traffic is the key to success in any business. That is why in the magnet ecosystem, there is a full set of tools for attracting new partners to your team. Number one is the Telegram Passer. This bot is used for collecting or passing an active target audience from Telegram groups. Then you also have the Inviter that automates invitations to your group to increase the audience in your teams. You have the admin bot. With this, you can carry out moderation and managing audience in groups, spam filtering, convenient work with content, and increasing audience activity. You have the bot recruiter, a funnel for attracting and warming up potential partners for your business. You also have the WhatsApp services, tools for collecting a target audience through WhatsApp group passing and mass mailings of your offer. Then you have the Twitter soft. This automate the promotion of your Twitter account to increase popularity among the crypto enthusiast audience. So you can see that it's also easier for you to grow your social handles with the bots that will be available for you in the magnet ecosystem. So when you do that, you can use that to make money. You can also perform the services for your friends and business partners or whosoever that wants to grow his target audience, and that will help you to make money as an individual. You also have the magnet DEX. Magnet DEX enables users to make token and coin exchanges on various networks in one click, providing the best rate, convenience, and high-speed transactions. Magnet DEX works as an aggregator and collects information from all leading DEX exchanges and cross-chain bridges to provide users with the best route for exchange and optimize commissions. In addition, Magnet Desk will provide advanced trading capabilities such as limit orders, margin trading, etc. Then the next one you'll be seeing is the play to earn magnet. A variety of Web3 games will be launched in the Magnet ecosystem in the play to earn format. This model allows players to not only enjoy the gameplay but also earn from their in-game achievement. So that explains itself. When you play games, you will be paid if you play it well and you succeed in winning the games. Betting on cryptocurrency rates. Betting on cryptocurrency rates is unique to based on smart contracts that allows users to earn money by predicting changes in cryptocurrency rates. Of course, you know that the crypto market is highly volatile. So from time to time, prices are expected to change. If you are able to predict the direction of a particular coin, you could earn money from that. You also have the copying trades. Copying trade, cryptocurrency trade simply allows you to copy the formula that experts are using to kill the market, to make business, to make gains. So if you look what they are placing, the way they are placing their trade, you just copy the same formula and use it to place your trade, even if you are not an expert. While they are taking their gains, you also take the gains alongside with the experts. So just know that if you have this in a platform, even if you do not know how to do trading, you'll be making money as a trader on the platform. You have the cross-chain bridges. Magnet cross-chain is an innovative infrastructure for cross-network exchanges of data and cryptocurrency. These products provide seamless integration between different blockchains, allowing users to easily and securely transfer assets between different networks. Magnet cross-chain gives users a new level of convenience and security and opens up new opportunities in the world of Web3. So you know that currently there's limitation and it's difficult for you to be able to run some businesses between the different blockchain. For instance, maybe between Ethereum and Bitcoin, between Polygon and and other ones like Solana or the ones Polkadot and the rest, Polkadots and the rest. But with this cross chain, you are able to make transaction between Solana and Polygon, between BNB and Ethereum, for instance, without having any kind of hassle. All right. So you also look at the Smart Link. Smart Link from Magnet is a revolutionary tool for effective team building. It allows you to customize referral links to automatically distribute a portion of new partners among team members using their strong size and activity. For example, if you have a talented video editor or copywriter in your team with no experience in referring people, then as a reward for their work, you can send a part of new affiliates to these specialists via Smart Link, thereby improving your team's results and income. This is about team building. With the Smart Link, you are able to help those who are weak in your team to improve their success rate, thereby increasing the overall success rate of your team. And that will also help you to make money when they are distributing the income from the global pool among the team members. The multi-sig wallet, this is simply a system that allows you to improve your your um, wallet security by providing an extra layer of security. So with this, you'll be able to have a backup for your wallet so that if anything happens to your original wallet, you can use the backup to recover your income without somebody quickly or smartly taking away your hard-earned income. Then you also have the DAO magnet or the DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization, that allows people with NST levels to be able to have a say in what happens in the magnet ecosystem. In other words, everyone will have a voice in magnets. So the number of the or the level of NFT status that you have will determine how much governance power you have in the ecosystem. So decisions will be made by the community. What they need in magnet and what they do not need in magnet will be based on their DAO status. So we also have the token magnet, like I said. All right, before I talk about the token magnet, there are still other things that are coming in. The launch pad that will allow so many other startups to come to the magnet ecosystem to come and launch their products. So as an insider, you can be making money by having access to information about laudable projects that you can quickly invest money in. And by the time they are launched and listed, you can make money. And even as the system is making progress and also getting gains from those services, the global pool income can be of benefit to you. You also have the wheel of fortune that you can spin from time to time, and when it falls into a convenient place for you and you have the lucky spin, you can make money. So a lot of other products are coming into magnet. Magnet will also give you the booster coin for you to be able to increase the percentage of income you will be making from the marketing programs and so on and so forth. So with time, you will understand some of these things. If you go to the white paper of magnet, you'll be able to see the roadmap and other things that will be coming and when some of these products will be unveiled on the platform. Now, back to the other way of making money, which is the token magnet. The token magnet is the main cryptocurrency of the magnet ecosystem, which is a valuable asset that is directly backed by all products and programs of the magnet ecosystem. The magnet token offers many investment and passive income opportunities. 5% of each financial transaction in the ecosystem is automatically split into two parts and allocated to support the token. The first half of this amount goes to token buybacks and token bond, while the other half goes to a liquidity pool on the DEX exchange. This gives magnet token the status of a deflationary, liquid, and growing crypto asset. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you intend to really make money from the the system, especially during this bull run, you must try as much as possible to join the magnet token, because this token is going to be fire, it's going to cook. So you don't need to wait for anybody to say join or don't join. Don't use other airdrop that failed to compare this, because this already have liquidity be arranged, it has utility on the system, and when all this plus the community join together, you're going to see something that's going to be a bomb. So why would you begin to try to compare this with what you have on other Telegram um, products or airdrops? That's the mistake some people make. Once they click and they get to see that, oh, this thing is going on Telegram, they say, oh, I don't want to mind this because this is the same thing with other Telegram airdrop. No, 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 they are not. A lot of other Telegram products or airdrop messed you up because they didn't have liquidity and they did not have um, utility, but magnet have both of them. So please don't make that mistake. Don't throw magnet away, because when others will be smiling to the bank and when the thing is eventually launched during this bull run and you'll see it skyrocketing to several units, don't ever live to regret your mistake. I encourage you to just try as much as you can to bag this coin and also look forward to the pre-sale market, the pre-sale period where some people have the opportunity to buy and stock. You have the POS token. The POS token is the initial currency of the magnet ecosystem. It is needed to upgrade and boost the status of your NFTs, which increase the level of access to magnet products and tools for generating passive and investment income. You can get a POS token for being active in magnets partnership programs as well as participating in the company's giveaways and airdrops. In addition, Pulse acts as a reward in some products of the magnet ecosystem. Pulse token opens up new opportunities and additional income for you in the magnet ecosystem. I hope you already understand what that is talking about. Then you also have the magnet NFT. Magnet NFT is an innovative approach that connects programs and all products of the magnet ecosystem through NFT technology. This determines the level of user access to various tools, products, and new sources of active, passive, and investment income in magnet. A unique NFT access key is created for each product in the magnet ecosystem. You can upgrade it using POS tokens, allowing you to get advanced features in products and new sources of income, or simply sell NFTs on the NFT marketplace to other users, creating another source of income for yourself. In addition, everyone in the magnet ecosystem has an NFT token that determines their status in the ecosystem, their voting power in the magnet DAO, and their level and types of income. All right. Finally, you also have the NFT marketplace where you can go and buy NFTs and whatever to just make more money. Then you have the passive income from magnet ecosystem. Magnet ecosystem, you get income not only from marketing programs, but from the entire ecosystem of products. Every single action of your partners in magnet will bring you passive income. You can invite a new member to buy any of Magnet's products or programs, and our system will engage that member, educate them, and help them help make them active. In Magnet, every element is designed and thought out to increase your results and income. Become a magnet of money and success. So, join the magnet ecosystem as one of the pioneers and discover unlimited opportunities for earning and growth in the Web3 era. So, if you follow to this point, I congratulate you because I know that at this point you are fully loaded with information. That if you are going to join Magnet, you already know what Magnet is and the kind of products you're going to have on the ecosystem and how it is going to benefit you, as well as those you are going to introduce as your downlines. And so, before you go, remember to like this video and also leave a comment, because your comment will always help us to know how to serve you better, to improve our video qualities, and so on. Remember that you are the reason why we're here. We're here to serve you better. Don't forget to use the link I'm going to leave in the comment section or in the video description to join Magnet. And also, as you join, we have a WhatsApp section where we keep providing updates for you, where we give you tips to be able to grow as far as the ecosystem is concerned. God bless you. See you in our next video.